Hello everyone. A couple days ago I did a video on rebuilding this battery pack for this Compaq Contura, and I used this little Contura Aero as my test subject. And some of you may have noticed that when I did this back and forth there were black lines in the screen. Now that I do it today, no such lines exist. And a YouTuber made a comment of, well, the next video will probably be on how to fix the screen. Well, you're technically correct. I'm not going to actually take you through it because there really isn't that much to take through, but all it was, this, where the LCD screen, this connector goes, this was just about completely out, so I don't know if I just forgot to put it down or if it came out. But either way, that's all it was. Just had to put these plastic pieces, secure them again, and voila. No more screen problems beyond being a passive matrix display. There's nothing I can do about that part, but needless to say, no more lines when I do this. The world is happy again. So that was it. Very simple. And as you can tell, I am on said battery, and it thinks there's 60% remaining. So the battery build is still going good. So thank you for watching.